how to manage multiple Instagram accounts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add and switch between accounts quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on your username at the top of the screen to open the account switcher. At this point, tap on Add Accounts at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the next step, tap on Log in to existing account if you already have another Instagram account. From there, enter the username and password of your second account and tap on Log in. At this stage, your second account will now be linked and you'll be taken into it automatically. Following this, to switch between accounts, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right and tap on your username at the top. Once done, all your linked accounts will appear in the dropdown. Tap on the one you want to switch to, and Instagram will change accounts instantly. From here, if you want to add more accounts, repeat the same steps. Tap on your username, tap on Add Account, and log in with the next account's details. And that's it! If this guide helped you manage multiple Instagram accounts on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.